Today I'm going to show you how to access and submit your course assessment at Allen. You'll begin by going to our web page, then clicking under My Allen, then Allen Resources, followed by Academic Materials. You'll scroll down to the middle of the screen and you'll see Course Assessment here. You can review the course assessment strategies if you would like. You can review examples of previous course assessments. We've got 5 different examples that we have for you to look at. They're all different disciplines. So you can see what we're kind of expecting. You can also review the reporting form. A lot of instructors like to do that. If you click on Course Assessment Reporting Form, it's going to come up as a Word document like this one. A lot of instructors like to write it up in the Word document and then paste it into our assessment form. So once you're ready to submit your assessment, you'll go back to our web page and you'll click Display Form. So very important. Click Display Form. From here, you'll want to click on your correct session and year, and don't forget to change the course number. You can then either type in the information or cut and paste it from your Word document. Once you're finished, you can click Submit, and it's going to email you a copy of your course assessment. All instructors at Allen need to submit a course assessment. We only require that you submit a course assessment for one of your courses. So if you teach 3 different classes, you're only going to have to submit one.